Now, ito din, isang best na feature is mayroon kang batch reminders. Yan. So, during training, yan. During training, meron ako ditong before training, pre-training, yan. Dapat nauna to, pero i-fix ko to. Dapat pre-training nauna to dito. Dapat BSRS Scholar Enrollment Log, check mo. Once okay na. Generate Scholars Profile kasi gagamitin mo to doon sa TESDA. Pag-input doon din sa T2 or BSRS or T2 MIS. Tapos, during training, ito yung mga checklist. Okay? Yan yung mga checklist. Yan. Balik tayo kasi nag-close siya. So, yung staff mo or ikaw, meron kang reminder kung ano pa yung gagawin mong trabaho. So, scholarship SO, JSIS, 50% billing. So, once mo nagawa mo yan, i-check mo na lang siya. Then, application for assessment. Di ba? Napakaganda kasi guided ka step by step lahat ng gagawin mo while nag-training, before training, while nag-training, after ng training, last day of training, dapat i-end daw yung BSRS, log by registrar, yung attendance sheet, dapat ma-finalize yung lamar na nagawa na, signed na. Tapos post-training, after ng training, assessment date scheduled, competency assessment conducted, final billing submitted, NNA allowance released to all scholars, certificates of completion issued to passers, employment status follow-up 30 days. O di ba? Saan ka makahanap ng ganyan? Halos wala ka nang, pwede ka nang walang, hindi ka na mag-hire ng mga staff mo.